My name is Juan Rossouw, worked for Downer for just over 5 years. I'm a construction manager with Downer, and commonly known as a nickname, everybody calls me Johnny Rock. In a nutshell, I'm responsible for the delivery side of projects. Once the planning and the design phase is done of a project, I'm more involved on the site day-to-day delivery of the actual project. We work for the SPP team, which stands for Specialised Pavements and Projects. So we do very specialised projects, namely Formula One tracks. We do airports, we do RAF bases, big freeways, toll roads, those type of projects. We stand for each other means that as a group together, we need to deliver projects on time, on budget. We try and support each other, not just on personal level, on a work level, but we support each other when it comes down to safety as well. We always look out for each other, and that everybody goes home safely is ultimately what we want to do. And that is quite important to our clients as well, is the culture that we create and that we live by in Downer. Teamwork is really important to us because for us to deliver the type of projects that we do and the speciality of it, we try and incorporate everybody as one whole crew, and we unify to do one project and deliver a project together. What I like most working for Downer is I like the diversity, I like the challenge of these specific projects that we do. There's a lot of things that we do that the rest of the industry do not do. And I think our clients receive that really well. We had a big involvement in the resurfacing and redesign of the Formula One track in Melbourne. What really stood out to me there was the client that we had to deliver it for, the involvement that they had, and how much we learned about pavements that we never knew about. And the nice thing about that, and the great thing about that, is we've taken a lot of the learnings there, and we've carried it through to every other project that we've done. That's not necessarily a requirement, but it's just made us so much better in terms of the pavement that we deliver. It makes your day-to-day work easy because there's no grey areas. If we create a culture that everybody's aware of and everybody buys into, there's no confusion and there's no grey areas, and everybody can focus on doing their job properly.